Good evening to all of you. I am Mr. Remeo Balane, targeted individuals in the Philippines since 1985. I am here to relate to you how the gang stalking and cyber stalking intensely came to me. That was in 1974. So before that there is something very special that I believe that the people must know it. It was in 1993. It was in 1993 that I am in the midst of my confusion because I don't know how the people can hear my brain, my thoughts. They can hear my thoughts. So it is very much confusing. And that was 1993. It happens in 1993 when I begin to get angry with all my gang stalkings that are especially Catholics. And that's why I am getting angry with them and even to the church, because sometimes the pastors and sometimes it happens that even the priests do some cutting when I am present or when I pass by with the church. That always happen. I don't know if it is coincidence, but I think it is because I am very much confused by then in 1993 that it is in connivance, that the church, the Catholic Church is in connivance because all of my gang stalkers are all Catholics. And even in the church I have some gang stalkers, and there are some participation, some pastors, and so many things that happen even inside the church. So there are escapers there. So actually during the time I had to go to Manila Cathedral in the Philippines. It is in Manila City and I am in Caloocan City, Bagbagen by then. And then I go to Manila Cathedral and sleep there. So because I am sleepless, so I go there and sleep there. But the time has come that the janitors, the cleaner there, told me that I am no longer allowed. Any people no longer allowed to sleep in the church because I am always sleep deprived in Caloocan City. So I have to go to Manila and I seek refuge with my sleeping there in Manila Cathedral. So when the Manila Cathedral is closed for me just to sleep by the day, so I go to Luneta Park in Manila also. That is in along the top. That is the Luneta Park. So I go there at the front of Manila Hotel. I can see the Manila Hotel, and there with the homeless, I sleep with the homeless. So that I can have my sleep because I am sleep deprived and I am very much confused. And I am thinking during that year in 1993 that God maybe is punishing me because why my thoughts is being heard by the people. So in my confusion, and I beginning to hate those Catholics that are gang stalking on me and doing some gang escaping also, and rumors and giving rumors around me and to the surroundings and to the nearby barangay. And I can feel that I am very much popular anywhere because even in the jeepneys, in the public vehicles, I am being escaped and being capped. The people are capping. So they knew me. So it is very much an insult because I was first rumored as a gay and chronic masturbator, just like that, and many others as a thief and so many things. So they keep on capping on me because I am dirty, because I am gay. So I began to hate the Catholics because they are Catholics and I am a Catholic, though I do not really go to church since 1980 or 1979 maybe. I do not go to church because that is the problem. I do not go to church and I do not even open the Bible. So it was in 1993 that in my confusion that I am thinking that God is punishing me and these people are doing their best to punish me also. So I become to doubt the Catholics and the Catholic Church. So I've been thinking for some times that I think I have to ask directly the heavens. So, and I don't know yet. I don't know that they are already listening in my brain and watching my brain and in watching my thought. I don't know that yet in 1993. So I decided to fast for 7 days. And of course, they knew it already, and I am ignorant about that. I am so naive that they are watching my thoughts and even my plan. Maybe they are laughing when I think about that, to pass and as the heavens, as God, if it is true. What is the truth? So I have decided to fast for 7 days. Because this is very important. That's why I have to relate this to you, because this is a part of gang stalking. This is a part of this technology and operation. So I decided to fast for 7 days and ask heaven after 7 days, what is the truth? So I intentionally want to ask the heaven if the Catholic Church is his true church, as the true church of the Christianity. Because why all of these Catholics are my gang stalkers and gang escapers, and even my enemies, my friend enemigos, my enemy that are my friends, are Catholics also. They even put rosaries in their side mirror, in their cars. There are some Santo Niños, you know, the Catholics have so many images that they hang in their cars and in their houses, sometimes by the window. So it is not the place for an appropriate altars. So that is how the culture of the Catholics, when it comes to rosaries and some pendants, some angels, they put it on the mirrors, at the front mirrors, to see the back of the car. I don't know how it is that mirror is being called inside the vehicles. So they put rosaries there and they hang some things there, images of Santo Niño, sometimes angels, and sometimes some dancing Hawaiian girls in the spring. In the spring, they put it there in the hood of their cars. So I becoming to hit the Catholic Church, and I want to ask the heaven. So, and yet I don't know. I am so naive that they are already watching. Maybe they are laughing with my plans. So I even cry with anger, and cry. I cry with anger also, and full of regrets. So, but as the 3rd days come by, I cannot wait, no longer wait anymore. I have passed. I only drink water and bread because I don't know how to pass. So that is, I only drink water and eat bread with no other mixtures of any food. So plain bread and water. So on the 3rd day, I cannot go further. I want to ask the heaven because I am so naive about the spiritual. I do not even read books. So I get out at 3 p.m. At 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I get out. So that was happening in 1993. I get out and look at the clouds. So it is very clear. The day is very clear and the sun is bright. But I cannot see the sun. But it is very bright. It is very bright and the air is dry. So that is the atmosphere during the time of 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I look at the clouds and suddenly I saw a dark clouds. It just appeared, the dark clouds. So behind the dark clouds, there is a light that is piercing lights that is about to come out from behind of the dark clouds. So when the piercing lights comes out, at least there is an acetylene well there at the side of at the back of the dark cloud. So that is how I can explain it. Just like there are some laser beams that are trying to pierce from behind of the dark clouds. It is not so dark. It is a common dark clouds. But there is that the day is very clear. and the shadows are very dark, the shadows of the trees and the houses around me. So it happens that when the light that is piercing from behind of the dark clouds, suddenly the sun appears. And when the sun appears, I am very much astonished with it. I am wondering how did it happen that the sun is out on the is over the dark clouds. The sun should be hidden on the at the back of the clouds. Why the sun just suddenly comes out from the piercing lights, just like laser beams or spotlights that are playing, but no color. It is merely lights as if clear water. So that is the sun comes out of the clouds and stay there. So I am wondering why the sun is there. So sudden, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, the sun began to dance as if it is going down. It is appearing as getting bigger, as if to fall on me. But the light is not very much, it does not hurt my eyes. Sometimes I can remember that it gives a color of rainbow, but actually it is a real sun. The sun is dancing, zigzagging on the clouds up and down. So that is the events during my experience when I want to ask God if the Catholic Church is His true church. So the sun dances. So it was maybe it's already 30 minutes. It is dancing around that length of time. So I cannot move because the guilt. I remember all my sins from the beginning that I was so young. I begin to remember my sins. So my knee tremble and I am so afraid and I cannot move. So I call my mother. To attest if really it is not maybe I am in the state of madness that I can see the sun dances and as if it is falling on me and retreat again, and then it's just go zigzagging in the clouds, but so fast it keep on dancing left and right, going down and zigzagging again upward. But the problem is because I am very much particular with knowing what is happening around me, and I doubt it. I look at the shadows. The shadows around me of the houses and the trees are not moving. They are still and very dark. But the sun is dancing as if it is a flying saucer that is dancing at my very front. So I call my mother, and my mother get out and look at the sun. I told her to look at the sun. What do you see? So my mother trembled also. So she called me to get in the house. Get in the house. You get in the house. Do not stare at the sun. So but I cannot move. So I keep on looking at the sun, so with full of doubts. And then the sun suddenly retreat to the clouds and get out of the space and create a hole. A hole as size as the sun, very, very dark hole from going through the space. But the problem is that I am wondering why is it that the surrounding, the environment are still brightened with the daylight as I begin before I begin to see the dancing sun. So the sun retreats to the clouds and made a hole. So I can still remember I am trembling with my sins. Why I am remembering my sin? I am filled with guilt and I am so afraid. So when I look at the hole in the sky and or going through the space, because it's getting darker the longer upward deepness of the sun is very dark, as if I just can't be exact that I can see stars in that hole. because it is dark. So the sun retreat to the space and create a hole as size as the sun. So I am fearful that I am thinking about maybe some angel will come out there and it is the end of the world. So then I began to move inside the house, because I fear it that there are some angels might come there, and so it is the end of the world. So I am very much guilty with all my sin that I remember it since I began to have malice, maybe from my 2 years old of my childhood, or maybe 4. But just I can remember all my sins during my childhood and to when I'm grown up. So it makes me tremble. So I managed to get in the house. So it's okay during that day and the night. And my mother don't want to talk about it whenever I ask him, what did you see? No, she don't want to talk about the sun. She is trembling still. So in the morning, because I am doubting again it, but this technology knew this, the militaries knew this, because during that day, suddenly my environment becomes silent. The environment up to the night is silent, even to the next day. On the next day in the morning, I began to doubt again. So what happened to that? Maybe it's an illusion or what, but my mother can see it. So I get out again by 3 o'clock again. So I get out at the same place, from outside the door of the kitchen of the little bungalow that we rented there in Ciudad Grande Village in Bagbaguing, Caloocan City. There is now a chapel there. I don't know why there is a chapel there. Before we get out of the Caloocan City and transfer the residency in Cubao, Quezon City, so or in Tandang Sora, but it is in Cubao, Quezon City first, and before going to Tandang Sora, Diliman, Quezon City, it is in Cubao. We are there in the 19th Avenue. Before we transferred there, it is all they created a chapel there, and I don't know why they create chapel there. That is the Catholic chapel. But in the morning, when I was doubting again, it is again 3 p.m. I look at the clouds again and I look for the sun. So I am looking at the sun, and I can remember that my eyes is not being hurt by the sun. So it is another 3 o'clock in the afternoon, in the morning, after the sun dances, on the day the day of the sun dances. So I look again at the sun, and from the far, so I prepare a cotton here. From the far, there is on my right side, here is my right side, for example, this is a dark clouds. I am looking at the dark clouds because suddenly there's appear another dark cloud. So the sun is there on the left side and the dark cloud is at right. So now I'm not expecting there will be a piercing lights from behind again of the dark clouds. For example, this is the dark clouds. I am not expecting to have a piercing lights there from behind the dark cloud because the sun is on my left side. This is my left side. So this is my right side. So, for example, this is the clouds on the right side that is dark. So, I began to doubt. So, and I am in my very much deep tensions of the hour because of the dark clouds again. So, I can see that as if there is an unseen, an invisible hand that plucks some dark clouds. It plucks from the dark clouds a bit of this like this, and bring it to the surface of the sun and make it a ball, as if an invisible hands create a ball like this of the dark clouds and fit to the face of the sun. So the sun become dark. So I don't want to ask for my mother to look up again. Maybe he will not respond anymore because he is so afraid of yesterday, the dancing of the sun. So there is an invisible dance that ball the dark cloud, the piece of dark cloud that is plucked from the dark clouds from my right side, from the right side of the sky, of the clouds. So it is bold as the size of the face of the sun. So it hide the sun from this dark clouds. So the sun become big. So the dark clouds become the mass of the sun. So the dark clouds, I can even see the dark side and the white side of the clouds that is mixing. It is rolling. It is rolling. Because the dark clouds is not completely dark. There is some shades of white, and that shades of white are like marbles that is keep on turning, keep on revolving around the balls, as in the ball. It is as in the ball. It become the mass of the sun up to the sunset. Up to the sunset, maybe it is up to 5 o'clock. So I am not fearful anymore, but I am enjoying the scenery of the sun. So there are maybe 2 children, aged 7 and 12 years old. They run because look at the sun. Look at the sun. Mang boy is staring at the sun and it is dark. So the 2 children, the 2 girls, run. So now I am sure that I am not the only one who see the dark balls on the surface of the sun. So that is up to the sunset. There is a building there, a piano maker. On the roof of the piano, this is the roof of the piano. The sun sets. The sun sets here. So it sets here. But it appears again for another 1 meter or 1.5 before it sets. It sets totally. It sets already. It is gone on the roof, but it raises again itself, and the sun has still the mass of the ball of the dark clouds. So the dark clouds being ball and put on the sun. So it is to be decided if this technology can do it, or that is a miracle. Because I am asking, give me a sign if the Catholic Church is the true church of the Lord, of God. Because why the Catholics are gang-stalking on me? Even the church, those inside the churches are seemingly contriving against me. And there are some gang-stalker there, some scoffing. They keep on copying on me. They smirks, even inside the church. So that is the happenings in 1993, when I was so confused with my gang stalking. So that is 1993. After some few months, the 1993 is already ended. In 1994, I go to the UP campus in Diliman, Quezon City. So I stayed there with my father, because my father had managed to have a store there near the Pook Dagohoy. Near the Pook Dagohoy. And when I was there, because I have an interview in maybe it was the Wärtsilä Diesel. I have an interview with the Wärtsilä Diesel or some company that I cannot remember, because I am not attentive to the date anymore. But I have an interview, so I have to sleep with my father in the store, in his store, just to arrive early in the interview in Makati City for the job. Because I am jobless, so I need jobs, and I have to work because I no longer have money. I cannot buy even a pen. So I want to write, and I have no money to buy a pen. So I buy sometimes pencil, and pencil just worn out, and then I have no tools to write anymore. So that is how I become so empty and penniless during that 1993. So I go in 1994. I stay with my father for a night for the interview in Makati. So the gang stalking begin. The organized gang stalking began in 1994 in that Pook Dagohoy, in the location of the store of my father, inside the University of the Philippines campus in Diliman, Quezon City. So even my cyber stalking, the B2K, the synthetic telepathy from the voice of God weapon, is so intense that there are many. I can feel that it is thousands or more than thousands of voices of people, young and old, children and mature, are saying bad words, and everybody was mean words, bad words, cursing, and some dirty sexual pronouncements. So that is the reason how my gang stalking and cyber stalking and my gang stalking began in the next year. Because of that 1993 Dancing of the Sun, and when the sun become black, because a dark clouds is made like a ball by the invisible hands and put it on the face of the sun as its mask up to the sunset. So because in 1993, after that occasion of Dancing in the Sun, on the first day and the second day is the blackening of the sun, that the sun become dark because of the ball of dark clouds stuck on its face as mask. That is because of that. In the next day, I am being rumored as 666 as mark of the beast. So that is another beginning of different campaign, smear campaign. So whenever I get into the vehicle, especially the jeepneys, some boys with their girlfriends and maybe some of their wives, they close the eyes, they hide the eyes, they put their hands on like this on the eyes of their wives and girlfriends, and they are telling to their partners, to their girlfriend and to their wives, not to look at my eyes because I have a demonic hypnosis. So that is after the Dancing of the Sun and the darkening of the sun. And that is 2 days event. After that, I become an entity of an evil spirit, of an evil being. So that is another rumors that comes out. That is become the spiritual side, and it is also intense because they are telling everybody around me that I am the child of Satan. So that's it. I am an evil man because of that Dancing of the Sun, because of the miracle, the Dancing of the Sun, and the miracle when the sun become dark because of the dark clouds that is made into ball and put on the face of the sun to make it appear as dark. But sometimes the sun, the silver lining of the sun is coming out, is very visible because it moves, because the dark clouds that turned into ball, made into ball, was moving also. So I become an spiritually evil man in the rumors around that I am a 666, and some DJ gaslighting me in the radio that I am shining. So whenever I think about the shining, it means that the evil in me shines out and my eyes is shining. So they got some picture of me, one picture of me, that why my eyes is glowing. They said my eyes is glowing, so I become an evil man by then. So by 1994, I am an evil entity. So that is another campaign during 1993 up to the end of the 1993. So in 1994, by chance that I sleep in a night to my father's store in Diliman, Quezon City, in Pook Dagohoy, inside the University of the Philippines. There, the cyber stalking is so intense. Too many voices in thousands, as if it is the whole city or the whole barangay, a whole sector of the city, is saying so many mean words and cursing. So and by the night when I am sleeping, then a girl and two boys began their sexual mornings. So that is the beginning of, and these three voices, the two boys and a girl, become my constant and permanent B2K voices up to today. Even today, even when I am I am speaking here. So I am telling you this not to confuse you into some spiritual spiritual facts. But I'll tell you, I can say that a worm will eat a liars. What is it that, how can I say it? Because whenever I ask something like that, you promise me that worms will eat you alive if you are not a TI. So they don't want to speak about it. It is bad. They are saying that it is bad. But the psychotronic technology can kill me now if I am telling you lies. This is their time. This is their call. So if they lie, so they are the one who will receive any punishment or any rebuttal from lying. So I say it. It is true. I attest that it is true. I'm not afraid in any consequences, or be eaten by worms, or just drop dead because I am telling a lie. So I can vouch it by if anybody asks me about that. So that is the truth behind my intense gang stalking in 1994 that began. Until now, it did not stop. Until now, as I grow older and as I remember that my gang stalking is becoming so intense. Because they don't want me to remember that dancing of the sun and when the sun become dark. They hate it. So I am forced to and feel obliged to tell it to you, to relate it to you. That story in 1993 about the dancing of the sun. When I asked the heaven and when I asked God to give me a sign if the Catholic Church is his true church. So that is what happened. So there is indeed a different thoughts will come from anyone who watch this video. But that is the truth. And some pastors, non-Catholics that are having programs in the radio are asking me that maybe you can be fair with us. Do not side in any church. But how can I side? I cannot do any. Why should I be neutral in any church since it is I am asking the heaven if the Catholic Church is the true church of God. So the sun dances. And then I began to read that the Fatima also, there is a dancing of the sun. So until now, whenever I remember it, it's everything. There are so many things that happens to me. So I have to release it here at the eyes of many people. So that is how in 1993 happened. The dancing of the sun and the darkening of the sun because of the dark clouds plucked from the distant dark clouds and make it into the ball and stuck and make it as mass of the sun. So that is another two stories in a consecutive day. So from the first day it is the dancing of the sun, and the second day, because I am confused, I want confirmation from heaven, so it appears. So it's up to you how to judge it. So, but that is the truth. That's why I want to reveal it to you, because I can feel that this is the reason why these gang stalkers and these militaries are not about to stop, are not planning to stop against me. Because of that dancing of the sun, suddenly the gang stalking and the organized cyber stalking up to this day, up to this night. A while ago, my gang stalker here in this building is so intense. They are youngs. So, thank you very much, and let us pray for the guidance of what is the spiritual truth. And I am telling you the truth on how the sun dances and what happened on the next day when the sun became dark. Because I asked God if the Catholic Church is the true church of God. Because all the Catholics are my gang stalkers, and I have some scoffers inside the Catholic Church, and even priests. I can hear the priest coughing whenever I pass the church. I just pass by the church and I can hear by chance the priest is coughing. So that is the way they do it to me. So whenever I get into any church, there are some scoffers also, and there are coughings, and they are smirk. They keep on smirking on me, and sometimes the priest cough also. So that's why I had to ask if the Catholic Church is the true Church of God. So the sun dances and the sun become dark. So that is the answer. So I believe something will happen or will take effect in any of the coming of the days, because I have already released it to you, and I have relayed to you, and I have told the story about the dancing of the sun, because I feel that I am obliged to tell it, and because it haunts me. And these military in the Philippines are giving me some pain and giving me some distance whenever I remember that dancing of the sun. And some people here knew this. They hide it. There is a conspiracy against that day when the sun dances, and against that day when the sun becomes dark. There is a conspiracy here in the Philippines. So they wanted to hide it, and they don't want everybody knows it. But sometimes I can hear some men say are talking about the dancing of the sun. He saw that the sun dances. So it wasn't already in 2023. So some men here that is working at the front of this building is speaking about that before the house is being turned into 3-story building. So I can hear that they are talking about the dancing of the sun that I saw. Because whenever I look at the sun at 3 p.m., they are silent. They are silent. Some men knew that. Some people knew that. Look at the sun. It is getting, because it's getting brighter again. So I get inside the house. I don't know what is happening. So that is how the targeting of individuals, the psychotronic targeting come into that events. Because I doubt the Catholic Church, and I'm becoming to hate the Catholics because they are my gang stalkers and gang scappers. So all of these militaries are Catholics, as I believe them, because my friends is one of them. So thank you very much, and I believe this is already 12:20 a.m. in the day of Wednesday, May 14, 2025. And I am Mr. Remeo Anyumebo Balani of the Philippines, a targeted individual since 1995. And I believe I am obliged, and this is needed to tell you the events of the dancing of the sun and the turning of the sun into dark ball, because of the clouds that is being made as ball and stuck on the face of the sun and become its mass up to the sunset, and then it rises again from the roof for 1.5 meters or 2 meters maybe, so before it totally set down. So that is the events in 1993. That's why there is an intense gang stalking, cyber stalking happened to me in 1994, in the coming of the year, in the coming of the year of 1994, by the passing of the 1993 of that event. And many knew that already. So thank you very much, and good morning to all of you, and may God bless us all, and let us keep on praying as if we have never prayed before. Thank you very much, and good day.